Want to protect yourself from false claims, hit and runs, or crazy drivers? Then stay tuned because today we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2025, packed with 4K clarity, AI features, and 24/7 protection you can rely on. If you love discovering the latest tech that makes driving safer and smarter, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss the next gadget breakdown. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. 3K 4-channel dash cam. Starting strong with the 3K 4-channel dash cam, a full coverage system that literally sees everything around your car. Product info. 560 degrees all sides view with front, rear, and inside cameras. Crisp 3K resolution with a 3.18-inch touchscreen. Built-in GPS, 5.8G Wi-Fi, and voice control. Includes a 128 GB free memory card and 24/7 parking mode. Reviews say, drivers love its complete coverage and clear night footage, noting how it captures every angle in case of accidents. Pros. Full 360 degrees recording coverage. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy footage access. Includes memory card right out of the box. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K PRO. Next up is the ROVE R2-4K PRO, a USA favorite dash cam with unbeatable video quality. Product info. 4K Ultra HD 2160p recording at 30 fps. Built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi. 150 degrees wide-angle lens and 24-hour parking mode. Compatible with up to 512 GB storage. Reviews say, users highlight its sharp video, intuitive mobile app, and smooth GPS tracking for insurance claims. Pros. Super sharp 4K detail. Easy app control and GPS route tracking. Reliable customer support from a USA-based brand. Number 3. 70mm A810. The 70mm A810, a futuristic dash cam packed with AI smarts and next-gen sensors. Product info. Dual 4K front and rear cameras with Sony Starvis 2 HDR sensor. ADAS driver assistance for lane and collision alerts. 4G LTE connectivity for remote access. 24/7 parking surveillance with motion detection. Reviews say, users love the AI motion detection and crystal clear HDR video, even in low-light conditions. Pros. AI-based motion and parking alerts. Best-in-class HDR night vision. Cloud connectivity with 4G LTE. Number 4. Pelsee P1 Pro. At number 4, we've got the Pelsee P1 Pro, the dash cam that combines 4K precision with cutting-edge voice control. Product info. 4K dual front and rear camera with Starvis 2 sensor. HDR WDR full color night vision. ADAS support, GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice commands. Includes 64 GB card and 24-hour parking mode. Reviews say, users appreciate the rich color quality, instant response to voice commands, and crystal clear HDR night recording. Pros. Vivid 4K detail with enhanced color. Hands-free voice control. Great value with included memory card. Number 5. 70mm T800. The 70mm T800 3-channel dash cam delivers the most advanced triple lens protection available. Product info. Records 2160p front, 2160p rear, and 1080p interior simultaneously. Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor for exceptional night clarity. Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE connectivity. ADAS alerts and 24-hour parking mode. Reviews say, drivers praise its incredible image sharpness and high reliability, especially for Uber and Lyft drivers needing all-angle protection. Pros. True 3-channel 4K coverage. Next-gen connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 plus 4G LTE. Excellent low-light performance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Each of these cameras offers next-level recording quality, smart features, and the peace of mind every driver deserves. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next gadget review. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.